request mo, i-flex natin yan. For basket number 96, ito yung sample natin. Okay, so let me show you the word. Where is it? Wait lang guys ha. Nahanap ko pa eh. Okay. Ito nawawala guys. Ayaw magpa-flex. Ayaw nyo magpa-flex guys ha. Wait lang. Hala. Wait lang guys. Sige, mamaya na nga natin i-flex. Okay. Mamaya na natin i-flex. Di ko makita eh. Ano basket yung ice na 3 pieces? Ito yan sir, ipapakita ko po sa inyo. For our ice boxer beef, 3 peraso na po para kay sir. Sige po, basahin ko lang po ha. Sige. Okay. Ay, sorry sir Kyron. Nag-lunch ka na mahal. Hindi pa sir. Lilibre mo ba ako? Ay, i-check out mo na lang dito. Or i-check out mo na lang dito yung mga item na bibilin mo. Okay, for basket number 1, yan po yung 3 peraso natin boxer beef. So, let me just find the sample, sir. Okay? So, sige, eto, basket number 1 po natin. So, as you can see, already pinarin po na yung basket. Sobrang ganda ng tela natin dyan kasi viscose with spandex na yan. So, let me just find the sample po. Wait for a minute. Okay, very, very quick lang po. For basket number 1, hanapin ko lang po yung sample natin. Nasa na pa siya? Ayaw niya magpakita. Nasaan na yung sample, guys? Okay, saan niyo nalagay? Saan niyo nalagay yung sample? Sige, wait for a while, guys, ha? Hanapin ko lang po yung sample. Okay. Okay, ito yung sample for basket number 1 po. Okay, so already pinarin siya in our basket. Okay, so ayan. So as you can see, ano ba sabi ko kanina? Okay, from 970, almost 1,000 pesos. Kukuha niyo lang po siya ngayon for as low as 593 pesos. And also naka-free shipping na rin po yan. And alam niyo ba, kapag viscose with spandex, this one, it has a moisture wicking. Moisture wicking siya, meaning mabilis din siyang matuyo. At the same time, very soft po yung texture or yung fabric niya. Okay? Very elastic and stretchable na rin as well with ice branding sa kanyang waistband. Meaning po ng ice actually is inner comfort enhanced that gives comfortability. Okay, so ito yung sample natin for basket number 1 na nakapin na po ngayon sa ating live stream. So huwag nyo na palampasin to from 970 pesos ngayon. Boss, ibibigay ko na lang yan sa'yo ngayon ng 593 pesos. So binigyan kita ng at least 39% off. So what are you waiting for, sir? You have to place an order po. Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Arian, for placing... Thank you so much, Miss Arian, for power tapping here in our live po. Okay, Sir Rian. Wait lang guys ha. Number 91. Sige, flex natin basket number 91 ha. Sige. Wait for a while po. So ito yung sample natin. So we have this one. Okay, yung ganitong color if nakikita nyo. And ito, medyo nagiging transparent siya sa screen since naka-green screen po tayo. At the same time, we also have... Pwede yun daw, basket. Okay lang naman yun. Okay lang yun. Kasi text pa naman start mo, di ba? Ano ba start mo? 1? Oh. Hanggang? Ano ang slide mo?